Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to learn about the setup the Appwrite, like how to install and configure the Appwrite for the Node.js project. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. First of all, we have to create a new directory. So wherever we have a folder, right? So here you can see that I am in the folder currently like this. So here you have to create the directory with this command mkdir and your folder name. Okay, my node app. Then go to that folder and initialize with the npm package with npm init. It will generate a package.json file for you. Okay, after this you have to install a package which name is Appwrite. So npm I or npm install Appwrite, so it will install the package. After this you have to copy this code and add into your Appwrite.js file. Okay, so here we have, so this is a full-fledged file. Here you can see that. First of all, import the necessary modules for the Appwrite SDK. Initialize the Appwrite client. So here you have to initialize, set endpoint. This is your endpoint. Okay, and this is your project ID. Those who don't know how to get the project ID, go to your Appwrite console. Here we have the project. Okay, go to back and here we have this project. Let's go over up. Okay, overview. Here you can see that we have a project ID. Just copy and paste it over here. Now we have initialized the database, right? For the database, we require the database ID and the collection ID. So make sure you have the database ID and the collection ID. Go to the database. If you don't have the database, please create it. And after that, you have to create the collection also. This is my collection also. Okay, and this is collection ID, and this is our, if you go back, we have the database ID also. This is our database ID. Just copy and paste it over here. Generate the unique number for the document, and this is my title for the collection. Okay, and document created successfully. This one, if I go with this one, helmet 2 to something title, save this, and I hit run this, and here you can see that the helmet 2 with the ID is created, and the permissions we haven't give the permission. All the guest users can create it. If you have another thing that you can specify that this collection has specific permission, only selected users can insert the data, update the data, so you can give the permission in the permissions tab. Okay, so go to the collections. Okay, so here we have a collections. Go back, and here we have the settings, and here we have the permissions level. So you can add the role, and all users, select users, whatever, you can just give the permissions to that accordingly. Okay, so this is how you are able to create a document. Okay, so this is how we are creating that one. So this is the thing, right? So, and call the function create document, right? Easy, very simple. Now we have created the document. Now after that we can go with the update, delete, okay, and get the document list in the coming videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day, and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.